This conference will now be recorded.
So today we are going to explain Power Platform demo session. So today my agenda session about myself. What is Power Platform? Power Platform modules. What is Power App? What is Power Automate? What is Power Virtual Agent? What is Power BI? How to use the Power Platform in real-time application, how to use the Power Platform in real-time application, how to create the account, what is the difference between Power Platform benefits, what is the difference between, please ignore spelling mistakes, what is the difference between other technologies versus Power Platform, real-time project explanation, question and answers. So this is the today agenda session. So my name is Sai Kishore. I have around 15 plus years of experience in IT industry. Presently, I am working as a solution architect, one of the MNC organization. Around 30,000 people are trained from SharePoint and Power Platform. Extremely Power Platform, around 3,000 batches are completed, like Power Platform, Power App, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent, and Copilot and ChatGPT. So today we are going to explain the Power Platform and Power Platform modules like Power App, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent, and Copilot also. So regarding that is my about myself. So what is Power Platform? So Power Platform is a browser-based enabled technology and collaboration and content management extendable platform from Microsoft. So what is Power Platform? Power Platform is a browser-based enabled technology and collaboration and content management extendable platform from Microsoft. So what is the meaning of browser here? So browser is nothing but IIS. What is the meaning of IIS? IIS nothing but a cloud. So basically Power Platform is a cloud service. So cloud having a three type of services. What is the three type of services? One is called IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Second one is called PaaS, platform as a service. Third one is called SaaS, software as a service. Infrastructure, platform, and software. So, what is the purpose of infrastructure? What is the purpose of platform? What is the purpose of software? So, infrastructure basically can support like without any installation. For example, in previous days, if you want to develop any kind of a project, like either banking, healthcare, insurance, any kind of domain, you need to purchase the workspace, you need to purchase the operating system, you need to configure the vCore worker, horizontal scalar, vertical scalar. So everything need to configure by yourself only. But now, no need to purchase any workstation, no need to configure any horizontal scalar, vertical scalar, and vcode and worker processors. Everything will be provided by cloud services only. That is called infrastructure. Platform as a service is nothing but operating system through cloud. Software as a service is nothing but business applications through cloud. Through cloud. So these are all are cloud services only. So one of the interview question here: how many services are supported in Power Platform? PP, simply called PP. So two type of services. Two type of services. One is called like a platform as a service. Second one is called software as a service. Two type of services are can support in Power Platform. Okay. So now we are going to explain like Power Platform modules. Basically, Power Platform having a different type of modules are available. One is called Power App. Second one is called Power Automate. So third one is called Power Virtual Agent. Fourth one is called Power BI. Fourth final one is called Copilot. So before going to modules, so what is the benefits of Power Platform? Okay, basically you have so many technologies are there. For example, client will come with project. For example, I am opening one documentation. So 1 minute, I have to open here. For example, I have one documentation, real-time project documentation. Start here. Fiscalization. So, for example, I have opened this document. See, for example, this is the documentation. Okay, client will come with this project. From this is called business requirement. So, what is the business requirement here? So, basically, it is a government project. Basically, it is supported for the invoice platform. So, see here, center invoice platform. The project scope is here. It is integrated with SAP and Salesforce with Power Platform. We have different type of modules are there. One is called physical invoice. So these are all modules actually. Physical invoice, self invoice, export invoice, and accompanying invoice, and prepayment invoice, incoming purchasing, and other documents. These are all total around five 10 databases. This is the first point. Second one, Power Platform can support Power Platform can support like all type of modules and domains. Power Platform can support all type of devices, and Power Platform can support no coding technology, no coding. Power Platform can support non-IT peoples also can develop and design and build and deploy without any coding, any database knowledge, and any database knowledge, any CSS and HTML and anything. Without any knowledge, without any coding knowledge, you can develop the Power Platform. Power Platform can support as a front-end business application development, and database support, database support, and middleware and administration. Okay, so Power Platform can support all type of modules, means financial, sales, service, marketing, healthcare, education domain, banking domain, and all databases without coding. So these are all benefits compared to other technologies. One by one will come. So Power Platform can support all type of databases like SAP, Oracle, anything. Power Platform can support all type of modules also and domain. And Power Platform can support all type of devices also, like laptop, desktop, tablet, mobile, everything. Power Platform can support no coding technology, so no need to require any coding. Without any coding, you can interact with like non-IT peoples also can develop and design and build and deploy without any coding, any database knowledge, and CSS and HTML. Power Platform can support as business application development, database support, and middleware and administration also. So Power Platform can support all type of modules: financial, sales, service, marketing, healthcare, education, banking, and all databases can support without any coding. So these are all major benefits of Power Platform compared to other technologies. Okay, just I have got a message. Okay, so that is the major benefits of like compared to other technologies in Power Platform. So now I am going to explain what is Power App. So modules. What is the Power App module? Just I can go to Paint. So Power Platform having a four modules: Power App, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent. These are all modules. Okay. So now one by one I can go to explain. Like now, so just I have presentation. Just Microsoft Power Microsoft Power Platform. Power Apps. Just want to have one presentation. Power App. Yeah. So this is the one presentation for you. So basically, Power App is a software to build the custom business application without knowledge of app development or custom coding. Basically, Power App can support the business application without knowledge of app development or custom coding. Okay, it is including most Office 365 subscription plan. Basically, it can support Office 365 subscription plan like OneDrive, Planner, and others. Like basically not in Microsoft Power Apps. Like today, all are like Office 365 products only. For example, Teams, Skype, MS Office, MS Word, Excel, all are related to Office 365 subscription only. Same thing, you have Office 365 subscription, you have Office 365 account, you can able to log in Power App, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, and Power BI. So using with Microsoft Azure, it is also offering built-in development tool, non-technical. For example, non-technical users also can create, can manage, and share the business apps and Android, Windows devices also. Basically, it can support non-technical users also, can able to create the application, can able to manage the application, can able to share the business apps and with different devices like mobile, desktop, laptop, tablet also. So that is the major benefits of Power App. So major another benefits of in Power App. So it is a part of cloud deployment approach. Basically, it can support cloud deployment approach. Okay, so no need to require any installation. Everything will be provided by cloud only. It is a part of cloud deployment approach, and it is also part of the family tool. Basically, Power Platform will provide the Power BI. So now no Power BI. Power BI also migrated to the Power Apps only. And you have different type of connectors, not 100. It is the old one, but now around 1,000 connectors are supported. And modern look and feel, it's because it can support for all the devices, tablet, desktop, and mobiles also. It is very mobile friendly actually, like because you can also develop the application in the mobile level also. If you are comfortable with Excel and Access formula, you will be right to home with Power App formulas. So no need to require any coding. For example, you are comfortable with Excel formulas, you are able to develop the Power App application. So that is the major benefits of Power App. Like a simple sentence in Power App, Power App can support all business application development without any coding and any without any coding and without any database knowledge can interact with interact with all databases all databases. So Power App can support all business application development without any coding and any database knowledge. You can interact with all database interaction. So that is called basically Power App. So now Power Automate. So Power Automate is a Power Automate is a workflow development. What is the meaning of workflow development? For example, I'm developing another application. Just I'm open another page. For example, I have developed one application here. For example, visa registration. I am submitting the data. Once I am submitting the data will be stored into the database. So in the database, they are following different type of steps. What steps are following? For example, in progress and in progress pending, and rejected, and approved, and not assigned. So what is the this one? This means like a customer will know what is the status of the application. For example, once I have to submit the request is in progress, or the request is pending, that request is rejected, that request is approved, that request still not assigned. So this type of status will provided through Power Automate. So this application developing with Power App, this application developing with Power App, this application, this process will developing with Power Automate. So this is called basically Power App and Power Automate. Power App is application development. Power Automate is a workflow development. Okay. So Power App is a application development. Power Automate is a workflow development. So what is Power BI? So basically Power BI basically can support Power BI can support reporting tool. Just 1 minute. Power BI can support Power BI. Power BI can support reporting tool. Okay. So Power BI can support like reports and dashboards. But now no Power BI because Power BI reports and dashboards also including in Power App only. So no need to require Power BI. So last and final, Power Virtual Agent. What is the Power Virtual Agent? So Power Virtual Agent is a like it is nothing but ChatGPT. Power Virtual Agent is a chatbot development, okay, without any human interaction, without any human interaction. Information is called
Yeah,
Power
your
Virtual
voice is breaking.
Power Virtual Agent. It's called Power Virtual Agent. So basically, chatbot means, for example, I can show you one chatbot here. For example, here, Namibia tourism board. Okay. So for example, when I'm opening the site, nothing but Meta AI. We have Meta AI, right? In WhatsApp. Same thing. So for example,
Your
I'm
voice is breaking, not audible.
Andip. So all are able to hear anything pop even and
Yeah, okay,
Breaking
sorry for
on
that.
sometimes.
pardon?
Your voice is breaking on sometimes.
Now it is okay.
And now it is okay.
Okay. Okay. Anything, please. Yeah. So now it is the chatbot. Okay. So now, for example, here we have chatbot application. Just you can open. It is one of the agent. So I'm agree the some conditions here. See, for example, I have to type the message without any human interaction. Some information will provide by to the chatbot. So that is called Power Virtual Agent. Okay. Simply four things here. Power App. Just one minute. It can support app development for business application. Power Automate. It can support for all workflow development. Power BI can support reports and dashboards and Power Virtual Agent. It can support chatbot development. Okay, so these are all four modules: Power App and Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent. So combination of Power App, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent is a Power Platform. So now I can go to browser. So does Power Platform required coding? See. Microsoft Power Platform is primarily low code and no code development. Okay, meaning it allows to user to build the application and automate workflows with minimum or no traditional coding. While it is option for the extend the functionality with code, and it is also less. It is a visual drag and drop interface and pre-built components. If you want to develop any kind of application, pre-built functionalities are available. No need to require any CSS, no need to require any HTML, no need to require any database, no need to require any custom coding also. That is the point only. See, so basically it is the target to the non-technical users also can create, manage and share and business apps, iOS, Android and Windows devices also. So that is the basically Power Platform. Now you can ask any questions, and now if you have no questions, I can show you how to create the account and one real-time project. Any doubts? Andeep, Rudra, Sandeep, Rishi? Yes, Sandeep.
Yeah, no doubts, my end.
Yeah, Rudra,
No
do you
doubt
have
for
any?
me too, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Sandeep, do you have any doubts? And Shoyab, Nikim, Krishna, at least please raise the hand. That is also fine. Kaushalya. Okay. Okay. So now next process as per our agenda. What topics are covered in this course content? Okay. And how to create the account. That is the next agenda. How to create the account and real-time project explanation. Real-time project explanation. Okay. So what topics are covered? So basically Power App. I'm explaining main modules only. In Power App, so many modules are there. For example, Canvas, Model Driven, Power Pages. Okay. And Power Automate. In Power Automate also different type of flows are there, like cloud flows, like instant flows, scheduler, desktop flows. These are all main modules. In so many sub modules are there. So Power Virtual Agent. So here we'll cover chatbot functionality with the Power App and Power Automate. Okay, and Power BI in this concept will cover how to interact with the Canvas and model and Power Automate. So databases will cover like a SharePoint because it is the major one, and second one Dataverse, it is also major one. So third one Dynamics 365, fourth one like uh, like Oracle, And the fifth one, like Salesforce and Excel, Excel OneDrive Business, and SQL Server. So these databases are will cover with all modules. So this is the. Do you any required? Please tell me. Any your like some criteria with your own? Please tell me. I will also add that points also in this course. Anything required, Andeep and Rudra, Sandeep? Please add here.
No, sir. As of now, that is, we are new to this Power Apps, so we know only few of the databases on this. So
Yeah.
once we move into the course, we have some doubt on this. As of now, no
Okay.
doubt.
Okay. Okay. So now this is the it will cover all modules. These are our main modules and so many sub modules are there. So now next step, how to create the account. What is the process? Any installation is required or not? First point one, no need to require any pre-requirements. Please ignore spelling mistakes. And no need to require any installation. Okay. Second step, required internet. That's it. Third step, sign up Office 65 account. Fourth step, enter the details. So whatever they are asking, like Gmail account creation only. Fifth step, create the account. Sixth step, create the account. Sixth step, like go to app launcher, app launcher. Seventh step, make dot click on Power App, click on Power App. Like it will navigate to the make dot powerapps.com. For Power Automate also, click on Power Automate. It will navigate to the make.powerautomate.com. Ninth step, so Power Virtual Agent, Power BI, same process. Now I will show you how to create the account. Just first you can go to, I have sign up account, just I can log in with sign up. Just I will show you how to create the steps. Yeah, just you can copy this one. I will send the this at this link. Just enter browser. So you need to provide some email address, anything like for example test at the rate of test gmail.com, anything. So click on next. It is not required verification. So you need to like enter some puzzle here. Puzzle. Okay. Once you have to submit the puzzle, you need to provide the some account creation steps. Once you are creating the account, so you are able to log in with Office 65, Office 65, Office 365 login. So you can log in with Microsoft Office 65 here. Okay. Okay, so this is called Microsoft Office 65. Just you can go to make.powerapps.com. You are able to log in with the Power App account. Make.powerapps.com. Okay, so next one, make dot. This is called App Launcher. This is called App Launcher. Okay, this is called App Launcher. You can click on Power Automate, make.powerautomate.com. So we have SharePoint also. We have click on SharePoint here. Then able to log in the SharePoint also. So this is the basically account creation. So simple steps, account creation. First you need to check with the sign up Office 65. So you enter the budget. Once you have to get started of Office 65 education, three steps. First, you need to give the personal details, professional details, and confirmation details. Once you are able to log in, just you can go to make.powerapp.com. You are able to log in with Power App and Power Automate and SharePoint also. So here we have option chat Power Virtual Agent also. See, you can ask to the chatbot. So this is called Power Virtual Agent functionality. Just you can type hi. It will so it will provide the necessary information to the end user. So you can click on next button. If you want to require email, so how to customize the email, everything will provide it. So this is the basically purpose of Power Agent. Okay. So any doubts regarding account creation, please. If you have doubts, again I will explain. No problem. First one, sign
Sir, I
up
have
soft.
only one doubt.
Okay.
This Office 365, shall we use all the app creation that is in a free account, sir, or we need to go for a paid version?
No, no. Actually, here 3 months free version. So for education purpose, you can extend another 3 months also. 6 months free version. If you want to
Okay,
purchase, you need to purchase the license.
okay, sir.
Okay. Anything doubts on the regarding account creation? Purely cloud. No need to require any installation. No need to require any like paid requirements also. Just to have browser, you are able to create the account and make their Power App and make their Power Automate and Power Virtual Agent. Okay. So now here this this is called Power App Studio. This is called Power Automate Studio. So how to develop the apps? Just you can click on create. Okay, you can click on start with. We have different type of options are there. What is the meaning of Copilot? Copilot is nothing but like a suit. So it will help to the how to create the app, how to design the app, how to build the app, how to deploy the app. Will support to the developers, not end user. So who is the end user? Who is the use that application, that is called end users. For example, Zomato. Zomato, who is using? I am also using Zomato. So I am end user for Zomato. So, but Copilot will support to the developers, not end users. It is nothing but a tool. So I will show you. Like it will provide the formula explanation. For example, I don't know how to create the account. Copilot will provide the necessary information how to create the account. So how to design the app, I don't know. You can ask to the Copilot. Copilot will provide some information. So Copilot will is nothing but a suite. Suite means like all things are can able to store. So that is called nothing but Copilot. Okay. So start with the data. So what is the meaning of start with data? For example, if you want to connect with any databases, I am not writing any code, just you can click on start with data. It is asking enrollment. So here I will show you. So first I have to click on create there. Okay, start with the blank canvas. I have different type of options are available: responsive, tablet, phone. For example, I can go to tablet size. So here I can click on data option. Okay. So for example, I have to click on add data. See, you have so many connectors are there. Office 65, SharePoint, SQL Server, import from Excel, and SAP. You have SAP connectors, Salesforce connector, SAP data, like Oracle connectors, Oracle database, SQL. So all databases are there. Without any coding, you can enter. For example, I want to connect with SharePoint. See, SharePoint. Simply, I can able to click on connect, add a connection, connecting directly. So all sites are available. For example, banking website. So all tables are populated. You can check what is the required tables. Connect. See, automatically I'm able to connect with SharePoint. Same thing. If you want to connect with SQL Server, just you can click on SQL Server, add connection. You need to provide the details. So, for example, SQL Server authentication, you need to provide the details: server name, database name, username, password. But able to connect with SQL Server. Same thing, Salesforce also. Like all type of databases, all type of information, we are able to create it and connect it with databases without any coding. Okay, so just now I will show you play button. It is a play button. So this application, for example, I can apply the color easily. For example, if you want to apply the colors, few all type of controls are there, like input controls, display controls, layouts, media, icons, shapes, charts, and mixed reality. All controls are there. Okay, you can also click on play button. So I can choose the tablet, Apple iPod. I can also choose the iPhones. I can also choose the browser. Like all type of devices can able to support it with your application. Okay, so this is called basically functionality of the Power App. So now I can show you one real-time project. So I have developed some projects here. It is a real-time only. Just I can click on apps. For example, leave request project is booking room. Some projects are there. For example, for training office project, just I have to click on create. So all are connected automatically. Just you can click on hello. See here, I am creating different type of screens: welcome screen, people picker screen, planner screen, outlook screen, OneNote screen, pop-up light box screen. Just I have to click on play button. So here I'm click on people picker. So I'm getting the some information from the users and the planner. Like so, what is the task name assigned to? What is the plan? like what is the due date. For example, I want to assign the like one plan to the users. So what is the bucket description, I can save the application. So Outlook, so send the email, for example, recipient, subject, message, send. Automatically I can send the email from here only, no need to go to Outlook. That's one note. So I need, so for example, I want to store the data into the OneNote. Directly I can use the OneNote here, but I'm not go to store the OneNote here. Here only I can able to store. Pop-up light box. So what is the major buttons, like this message I need to show in the pop-up level, I can create this one. So this type of applications you can able to develop using with the Power App application. Okay, and basically Power App can support all type of business application without any coding and without any like database knowledge, without any query knowledge, any CSS and HTML. All are like ready-made templates are available. You can able to drag and drop the functionality. You are comfortable with Excel formula, access formulas. We can able to develop all the application without any coding. So now I am showing another like project. Like we can create, for example, book a room, for example, booking room application. So here I can play button. So booking for existing room. I'm creating different skins in this project also. First is called landing skin, meeting selection, room list selection, room selection, exist date selection, confirmation. For example, in the software industries, if you want to, if you have any meeting, first you need to book the room. So that application you are developing using the Power App. Okay, so this application can support for all devices, mobiles, Apple, Redmi, all mobiles also. Just I have to book for an existing meeting, book without a meeting. Just you can click on this one. So what is the date, like today date, like so I have calendar picker. Just I have click on save it. So what time there no rooms are available. So this no rooms are available, like so book for existing meeting, you can click on here option only. No meetings for July to 25. So if you have any meetings are there, just you can click on save it. You can select the meetings here. So this type of application you are going to develop the using with the applications only, like room list selection, what rooms are there here, like adjust date selection. Already you have selected, you want to change the date or time, you can adjust the date selection. Finally confirmation. Okay, done application. So for example we want to create the new screen, just you can click on new screen. We have different type of screens are there. For example, screen here, we have all controls are there here. All controls are there. So we have data functionality, add data already have shown here. SharePoint, import from the Excel, Office 65 Outlook, and Office 65 users, OneNote, SharePoint, SQL Server, all type of database you are able to connect it without any coding. So this is called basically Power App modules. Same thing Power Automate also. We have different type of modules are there as per our previous discussion. Like we have different type of flows, cloud flows, instant flows, scheduler flows, and desktop flows also. This is also like a Power Automate Studio. This is called Power App Studio. Okay, so this is basically functionality in Power App and Power Automate. And about final step, our institution features will provide like live classes, and as well as will provide the recording videos also, and will explain the all are related to projects related only, not like general task, project related task. and we'll explain four projects. One project Power App and Power Automate, and the second one Power Virtual Agent project, and as well as fourth one interact with Power App and Power Automate and Power Virtual Agent. Four Power Virtual Agent. Okay, so these four projects will explain, and will provide interview guidelines and interview questions also. Every day we'll provide the recording videos, and we'll cover like all real-time scenarios. Our course content can support up to 4.5 years to 6 years experience knowledge as a Power App developer. For example, if you want to migrate to the one technology to another technology, you can keep it around 3 to 4 years experience, because Power App is came in the market around 2019, 2018, like around 7 years back only. You can keep it like 3 to 4 years experience. That is fine. So this is the basically major modules in Power Platform, and our institution features also. For example, you have already 10 years experience in any other technologies. You can keep around 3 to 4 years experience. You can expect around already your package like 15 lakhs or 20 lakhs. You can expect around 30 to 40 lakhs in Power App and Power Automate, because it is one of the trending technology in the market. So no other technologies are there in the market like opposites now. For example, you have Salesforce, like CRM is there. For example, SQL Server, MySQL, like Oracle is there. But Power Platform, no other technology for competition. Only Microsoft only will provide having like all devices like mobile, desktop, tablet with responsive with all database interaction, and all type of modules as a database, as a admin, as a front end, as a back end. So these are all major features in Power Platform, and our institution also will provide all modules like real-time scenarios and real-time projects and interview guidelines, interview questions also. So do you have any own requirement? Please give me that requirement. We'll cover in our course content also. That one also will taken. So that is that today my agenda session. Now time is for yours. You can ask any questions. We'll explain that questions and anything from this demo session. Any doubts, Rudra, Anudeep, regarding account creation?
Sir, after the completion of Power Automate, to deploy with any system, whether you will guide for that, because after the
Yeah.
completion of software, we need to host the files in any domain. Uh, it's
So
like that, sir.
deployment also cloud only. No need to
Cloud
require
only.
any other tools. So just it will take as per the our presentation. So final step that one only. Deployments also will take fraction of seconds. See. So if you are comfortable, literally seconds to tweak layouts and fields and deploy. So deployment
Okay,
is
sir.
also very easy. So no need to require like any customization, any CI/CD pipeline, any Azure DevOps, AWS DevOps are not required. Just deployment also have feature here, import and export solutions. It will take 2 to 3 minutes deployment process.
Okay, sir. How about the regular class timing, sir?
Same time, 7 to 8.
Okay.
Yeah, I have one doubt.
Yes, Sandeep.
Yeah, is there any required any JavaScript coding knowledge? No, right?
Already have explained no
Yes.
JavaScript, no CSS, no HTML, no non-IT background people also can able to learn, develop, design, build, and deploy.
Okay. Actually, my doubt is I'm a .NET full stack developer.
Uh,
In this present organization, I'm doing Power Apps with JavaScript coding, something like web resources, updating forms. So this type of thing. Is there any
that
covering
is
in
the
this?
third-party connectors. You can able to create the connector with default templates are there. You can provide the details, and then you can connect the connector, and you can get the data from that API.
Okay.
For example, I have Google Map. Okay, I want to
Mm.
migrate the Google Map, integrate the Google Map into the Power App. I don't have any connector now. So the Power App, Microsoft will provide the one functionality custom connector. So custom connector, you can provide the details like a get method or post method or put method or merge method. You can get able the operations and you can connect it with Google Map.
Okay. Some particular onload on save methods. We are not covering this
Which one? Which one?
onload and on save some form properties like
Everything, form properties, app properties, and app screen properties, variables, everything will cover.
okay.
Controls, everything will cover. On load, on save, on start, on success, on failure.
The business rules, business flows, and iframes. These all
Yeah,
are
that is yeah, model driven app, business rules, everything.
yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So same time tomorrow also. Please connect same time tomorrow. Tomorrow onwards we'll start the regular classes, like no demo sessions. If you have any required any doubts in demo, please ask tomorrow session and we'll start the regular classes. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. Good night. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.